very gentle.
Oh my goodness, you want to play?
Yours.
Mine.
Yeah. And yours is
Well,
more
because of,
even.
yes, just a moment.
Oh goodness, you really want to play.
Oh, it's me, another puppy.
So adorable.
Oh, yes. What is this new puppy? Bijou. Over here, look, puppy. Yes, look at that guy. Look at him. Look at this lady. Oh, not me, the puppy. It's right here. Look, Bijou.
Being so small, you probably won't take her to the beach and stuff
Oh,
like
never.
that. Yeah.
Never.
Yeah. Too loud.
Not even a dog park.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty darn good.
Because they catch stuff. Yeah.
Well, she's probably immune if she's had her shot.
Yeah. But, yeah.
Lula.
She is.
Oh,
She's so sweet the way she is.
Yeah, she doesn't need me.
Lula. Give her a little space to explore a little bit. Join. Hi, Bijou.
Oh, going under.
Are you going to take Sophie to dog beach and all that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I know, I know.
Except for there's mean dogs.
He's a gentle
Well, I
dog.
took him there almost every day of his life. When
Oh,
that's
good,
and
Bijou.
he just, it
Had a
was
great
to
time.
him his joy in life.
Yeah. No, that's cool.
Like, did you see the English golden was just here? The big one? Oh, she takes you on a 4-mile walk.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm not going to save you, Bijou. Oh, no.
That's hilarious. I saw it.
Oh, Bijou. It's climbing right
I
under
know,
him.
it's so funny. How's it going, Bijou?
She's doing really well.
Is she?
She's letting the dog go under her. Bijou's going under the other dog.
Her tail's kind of down.
She's definitely very explorative of this dog.
Good guys. Oh, yes. Oh, good. Very good.
You okay, sweetie?
Oh, yes. Just want my treats. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness.
Who is being very, very good and gentle. Oh my goodness.
Lula. And Bijou's exploring, saying, hey, you're another dog. I want to explore this. Very good.
You okay, baby?
Oh, I know what you want. Oh. Oh, Lula exposing her belly, just saying, yeah, play with me. Oh,
Very good, very gentle with that.
Good girl, Bijou. You good girl. You okay, sweetie pie?
Lula.
Oh, Lula being very good, letting Bijou be a little dominant. Very good.
Oh, yes. 1,
Look at her.
2, 3. Oh. You guys have to play right under me. Like there's more room.
Of course, it always is at the dog park as well.
They certainly know how to tame it down if the puppies.
My goodness, these two are really, really good playmates.
Yeah.
My goodness. As crazy and fierce as they get with Odin and Miss Sophie over here, so gentle with Bijou. My goodness.
Oh. Where are you going?
Oh. even forcing Bijou to be dominant, letting her be on top, saying, I know you might not be 100% on this, but I want to play with you. Bijou being very receptive of that. Oh, yes. Oh, good on you guys. Oh, Bijou doing the exact same thing, saying, I trust you. I'll expose my belly. One, two, three, four. Oh.
That's amazing.
Oh, now they're both on the ground? Oh my goodness. You guys are so docile. I love it.
That's how she plays with Max.
Oh, that's so good. Honey, Max. You guys are doing so well. Let's see how Sophia and Noni play over here.
We'll take Bijou out.
Might be a little too overstimulated.
It might be too
for her.
much, yeah.
Yeah. This is really good. Oh, going under the other dog too? Oh, Bijou's a good player.
Good girl, Bijou. Good girl.
Oh, good Lula. There we go. Come here, Bijou.
Good girl.
Yes. The whole Bijou. Almost got it. Lula, you get out of here. I got you. Oh, there we go. How was that, Bijou?
Good girl.
Yes.
Good girl.
Oh, so incredibly cool.
Thank